Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use the Ensnare trait in Warhammer Underworlds. To do this, first you will need to have an attack that actually does have the Ensnare under it, or any card that would also have the Ensnare as an action in it. Then to actually apply it, you roll the attack, and for example you have a success. Let's say it's not a critical one, let's just make that a success, and then your opponent needs to roll on a defense, and if his card has this arrow as a defense, that means he can't count it as a success. So when he rolls a defense dice and rolls this, and normally it would count as a success, but if the opponent's weapon has an ensnare, this won't count as a success. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.